Hey my friends, welcome back to Learn English Mastermind, the place where you learn real English in a simple and natural way. I want to ask you something. Do you ever feel like you can understand English when someone speaks, but when it's your turn to reply, your mind just goes blank? You understand everything in movies, YouTube videos, even podcasts. But when you try to speak, the words just don't come out. Sounds familiar, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners face this same problem. And today, in this episode, we're going to talk about why this happens and how you can fix it with 6 simple but powerful tips that will completely change the way you speak English. And as always, I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can listen carefully, repeat after me, and use this for your shadowing practice. My goal is to help you train your ears and your tongue at the same time. So let's get started. First, let's understand something very important. Understanding English and speaking English are two very different things. When you understand, your brain is passive. You are just receiving the information. You're watching, listening, or reading. You don't have to produce anything. But speaking is active. It's like performing live. You need to think of ideas, find the right words, arrange them into sentences, pronounce them correctly, and all that in real time. That's why speaking feels harder. Even advanced learners struggle with this because they don't practice speaking enough. They read, they listen, they watch movies, but they rarely open their mouth and speak out loud. And that's the biggest reason they never feel fluent. Now, here's your first tip. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Many learners stop themselves from speaking because they think, I'll speak when my grammar is perfect. But my friend, that day never comes. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English. You only need to be understood. For example, if someone says, yesterday I go to market, the grammar isn't perfect, but you understand the meaning, right? That's what communication is. Making mistakes means you are learning. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time, but they keep talking. So please, don't be afraid of mistakes. Be proud that you are trying. Remember this, fluent with mistakes is better than silent with grammar. Speak first, polish later. Tip number 2, learn chunks, not words. This is a game changer. Many learners try to memorize single words like busy, happy, or important. But that's not how English works in real life. We speak in short phrases or expressions. We call them chunks. For example, instead of just busy, people say, I'm a bit busy right now, or sorry, I've got a lot on my plate, or I'm swamped today. These short ready-made phrases are like language blocks you can use anytime. When you learn chunks, you don't have to think word by word. You just pick the phrase and say it. It makes your English sound more natural, fluent, and confident. So next time you watch a movie or listen to a podcast, write down these phrases and repeat them out loud. Say them daily until they feel automatic. Tip number 3, speak to yourself in English. Yes, I know it sounds funny, but this is one of the most powerful ways to improve your fluency. You don't need a teacher, you don't need a partner. You just need your own voice. Talk to yourself while cooking, walking, or getting ready. Describe what you're doing. Say things like, I'm making tea, it's raining outside, I need to charge my phone. You can also talk about your day. I woke up late today. I have a meeting at 10. Or I want to go out later. You can even practice short conversations with yourself, like ordering coffee or meeting someone new. The more you speak, the more your brain learns to think in English. It's like going to the gym, but for your mouth and mind. You build muscle memory through repetition. Tip number 4. Use AI to practice English. In today's world, you don't need to live in an English-speaking country to practice English. Tools like ChatGPT, Pi AI, or Copilot are amazing for real conversation practice. You can type or even speak to them, and they'll reply instantly, just like a real person. You can say, "Hey, can we talk in English for 5 minutes?" Or, "Let's practice a cafe conversation." You can ask them to correct your grammar or speak slowly. The best part? AI doesn't judge you. You can talk anytime, anywhere, as much as you want. The more you practice, the faster you'll improve. You're not just studying English anymore, you're using it. And that's what really makes you fluent. Tip number 5. Try the 4-3-2 technique. This one is super effective. Choose a small topic, like your weekend, your job, or a story you know. Now, first, speak about it for 4 minutes. Don't worry about speed. Just focus on telling the story clearly. Then, take a short break and speak again, but this time for 3 minutes. Try to be faster and more organized. Finally, do it again for just 2 minutes. Smooth, confident, and fluent. This technique helps your brain to remember and reuse sentences automatically. When you repeat the same topic multiple times, your hesitation disappears and your speech becomes more natural. And finally, tip number 6, play with one sentence in many ways. This is an amazing exercise for creative fluency. Take one simple sentence, like "I went to the store," and modify it in many ways. I went to the store yesterday. I went to the store to buy some bread. I went to the store, but it was closed. My sister went to the store. If I had gone to the store earlier, I wouldn't be hungry now. See? With small changes, you're learning grammar, emotions, and real-life flexibility without memorizing boring rules. This is how real English grows inside your mind naturally. So my friends, let's remember everything we learned today. Understanding English is easy, but speaking English confidently needs action. Don't wait for perfection. Use your voice. Speak every single day. Practice with yourself, with AI, or with anyone you can. Don't just study English, live it. Mistakes will come, but with each mistake, you'll get better, stronger, and more fluent. Believe me, your English can improve faster than you think. Alright, that's all for today's episode of Learn English Mastermind. If you enjoyed this session, make sure to listen again, repeat the phrases, and practice them in your daily life. Remember, every word you speak is a step closer to fluency. Keep learning, keep speaking, and never stop believing in yourself. I'm Avi, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.